Hello friends, welcome to Padhaibook classes. In today's lecture, we are not going to study about any new topic or some new result or something like that. We are going to discuss about some career counseling, something that can help you make your career better in future. Well, everybody is confused about which career plan to take, what all job opportunities they will be getting, what all business they can start once they choose a particular path. Everyone from parents, teachers and students is confused regarding this. Well, in this video we are going to talk about some careers that you can choose after your 10th standard to make your life better. By no means this list is exhaustive. You can have your own research and your own ideas, but this list is only there to help you make better choices in future. First of all, let me clarify, we are going to talk about the commerce stream that is offered in the +2 nowadays in schools, and what all job opportunities you can get and what all courses that you can take up after the 12th standard in commerce stream that can make your career much better. First of all, we are going to talk about all the courses in details. You can have your queries about these and you can ask them to us in the comment section if you have any doubts or something like that. We'll be making more career related videos, so it's better if you subscribe to this channel to keep up with all the updates. Now this channel is all about basically just providing you educational content, so if you are interested in that, then it is a really good idea to subscribe to our channel. Now without wasting any time, let's actually talk about the commerce stream. As you know, we are assuming that when you talk about commerce, we are assuming that you are taking at least mathematics as a subject in 11th and 12th. In 11th and 12th you can take mathematics as the subject. Now with that in mind, we have actually shortlisted some courses that can be done if you are from the commerce stream. All right. So just as you can see, first of all, the idea is to take commerce with the basic subjects like English, accounts, economics. Nowadays information practices is also offered, and business studies in 11th and 12th, and you are supposed to get a really good score in 11th and 12th, and then only you can be expected to get a course of your choice or a college of your choice. Now first of all, let me tell you that course is important and college is also important. So for the fact that you get your preferred choice or your college, it is important that you get a really good score in board exam, and nowadays it is definitely 90 plus. If you get 90 plus in 12 board standards, your life will be much easier after that, because all the prestigious and tier 1 colleges are listed in for the 90 plus students only. Now without just give me a second and we will be talking about these courses in details. As you can see, the first course that comes to on our screen is BCom, Bachelors of Commerce. All right. Now in Bachelors of Commerce, what do we see? Bachelors of Commerce is a very popular course. It's one of the most popular course that people actually go for once they actually do their all the commerce students are actually taking BCom. BCom is offered in two ways. It is either BCom program or BCom honors. Now BCom honors usually requires you to have specialization in a particular subject. Now these subjects can be anything, and it is usually up to you to decide which subject do you want. Now which stream to choose, which subject to go, which subject has more scope. All these confusing questions can have many answers. But as far as my personal opinion goes, I guess you go with your interest. Whatever interests you, you go with that. You will be definitely superior in that field, because in the long run, if you are interested in something, you will do it even if somebody is not telling you to do it. So it's always better to follow your interest rather than going for the scope, which particular field has more scope, because there is lot of competition in every field in today's world. You have competition you have lot of competition, and if you are good at that, you will obviously find excellence. So as I was saying, that there can be a specialization subject, like for example economics, marketing, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is basically being your own boss, starting your own business. Or mathematics, computer applications and IT. Business regulatory framework, company laws, corporate accounting, income tax, business communication, business environment management, accounting, auditing, statistics, human resource management, banking and insurance. Now all these are special courses. Alright, so the other thing is that BCom honors, what people mostly do is once they complete their BCom honors, they can go for other courses as well, like MBA or some vocational courses as well. Alright. Lot of people actually go for chartered accountant as well, along with BCom honors. That is a very popular choice. Now, if you are looking to if you are interested in doing Bachelors of Commerce, once your 12th standard is complete, and it is a really good course that you should go, it is advisable that you go for a good college, and one of the good colleges is SRCC in New Delhi, that is University of Delhi. It comes under the University of Delhi, and it is one of the best colleges in it. It offers a really high package once you actually graduate from that college. Alright. We have already talked about the BCom honors, and we have talked about BCom. Let's move on to the next course that can be done once you are once you have chosen commerce. The next course is Bachelors of Economics. Now, first of all, when you take commerce, it is important that you should be studying economics in your +2 level for you to take this course usually. Nowadays, a lot of people are taking economics, even the science students are taking up economics. It's a really interesting subject once you actually get to learn about it. So, the first thing that you actually should be, now Bachelors of Economics is a very Bachelor of Economics is a very interesting subject, and you will experience a lot of practical knowledge on various economic concepts, economic policies, analytical methods and program, etc. And if you're keenly interested in economics and want to gain a specialization about the economics framework, this is a really good choice for you. Another thing that most of the people do is that if you want to go for UPSC exams and all the civil services exams, then a lot of people actually take Bachelors of Economics because it gives them a really good background to study for all the IAS exams. Alright. Now with that said, let's move on to another course that is being offered in after Bachelors, that is BBA, or sometimes called Bachelor of Management Studies. It is offered in a lot of universities in India, at least it is offered in Delhi University is offering BBA and BMS, and nowadays Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University is also offering this. Lot of universities offer this course, and it's also a very good choice after your +2 in commerce stream. Personally, I would suggest that if you go for BBA or BMS, having some work experience would also help you if you want to fetch a really good job. So most of the people, what they do is, if they are doing BBA or BMS, they actually go for some work experience, or either they directly go for some MBA. All right. Now nowadays it is also offered as, it is usually a 3 years course, and if you are interested in getting exposure on various business aspects and get a hold of the concept of business, this course will be of your choice. In addition to academic learning, if you pursue BBA from good university, you will get versed with business insight and real business skills. So it is important that you choose your college very wisely, because a bad college can almost ruin your career, whereas a good college will help you with the placements and in your studies, and the environment will be like, you will feel the need to study. That is the most important thing. A lot of people after doing BBA go for MCom or MBA in finance or in some kind of other specialization. It is a really obvious choice. All right. And basically, BBA and BMS are two different courses, but they have almost equal value. Let's talk about Bachelor of Management Studies for now. It is a 3-year course that provides theoretical and practical training, which helps to inculcate leadership and managerial skills. And it sometimes also gives you basically an idea of how the business world operates, and you get to know the knowledge of various aspects of the business like management, human resources, organizational theories, research methodology. The demand for skilled managerial professional has been increasing over the world. So some courses also use these terms interchangeably. You are not supposed to get confused, and you can go to that particular college beforehand and clarify your doubts from the respective college. All right, let's move on to another course. Now, as we can see, the next course is BBA LLB. Now, BBA LLB is actually an integrated course, and it is offered in some universities as a 5-year program, where you get to get both the degrees, BBA and LLB, and you are supposed to study important subjects like constitutional laws, property laws, banking laws, environmental laws, all these sort of laws, as you can know. And it is also a very good course if you are interested in the legal aspects of your business, and there are people who are really interested in going to the legal side of things. So that will, in that way, you will be able to have a really good career in future as well. A lot of companies will be ready to hire you because you have all the legal knowledge about things. All right. So this course can be done from various universities, although this course may not be available in all the universities. So you have to check with particular university and its website to find it about where it is available and where it is not. Next course that we are going to talk about is BCA. It is a very, very popular course that a lot of people take up in commerce background. It is a lot of people are taking BCA, and as you know that it is a graduation course with more emphasis on computer languages. It is almost similar to doing BTech and BEA, but it is of 3 years, whereas BTech is usually and BE is usually of 4 years. Also note that if you wish to do BCA, you should have mathematics in your +2, and in some cases, as it is already written, that you need to have English as well. It is a really good option for those people who are interested in computers, computer science. A computer can do wonders nowadays. All right. So with that said, let's move on to another very, very important course for all the commerce students, and a lot of people are actually doing. That is chartered accountant. You can be a chartered accountant immediately after your +2, and for that you have to give a CPT exam. That if you clear, then you can clear their level. There are different levels of exams that you have to clear, and if you clear those exams, then you are a professional chartered accountant, and you can start your own service, or maybe you can work in some governmental organization, or maybe under some private firm. That is all up to you. Nobody is going to stop you. So this is a field that gives you a lot of options. Now it is really good for those folks who really like to keep their options open. There are people who want to have lot of options in their career. They basically do not want to get stuck in some basically one stuck job where there is no scope, there is no growth. So chartered accountant is a very different job. You can make a lot of money as well if you're really successful in this career. Although it is not that easy as it seems, there is a lot of hard work involved once you actually get to become the chartered accountant. But once you become chartered accountant and start getting some clients and start working on something, you will be on top of the world. So it is important that you check out the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India if you want to know more about this course, and it is one of the best professional course that usually commerce people do, other than BCom honors and economics honors. So it is really advisable to go for this course. All right. And some of the important subjects that you will be learning in chartered accounting program are accounting, economics, taxation, tax laws, auditing, business laws, financial management, business communication, corporate laws. All right. Let's move on to another subjects. Another very important course that yes, a lot of people actually go for in commerce stream is, and not many people know about this course actually, is company secretary. Now, for any company to function properly, as you can see, a company secretary is needed, obviously. So a company secretary is really important, and you need to clear an exam for this. It is not that you can just walk in and now I want to be the secretary and they will hire you. No, it's not going to happen like that. You have to clear some exam, and it's not that really exam. It has some levels. There is an Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and a lot of people actually go for chartered accountant and company secretary as well. They go for both these courses. It is a really common trend. You should see all the people who have already gone through this process, what they have been doing and what have actually succeeded. So we will see that a lot of people go for chartered accountant and company secretary as well. Even though if you just want to go for company secretary, it's really not a bad choice. It's a really good choice and really a preferred choice. Now another course that we can talk, as you can see on the screen, is cost and management accountant. The cost and management accountant, now this course is actually provided by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and the people who are certified cost accountant maintain cost accounting records, do cost auditing, help in planning, controlling and costing of products. So you have to get certified from this institute to actually start working professionally in this field. Also, do note that you can also start your own practice once you have the license from the institute in your public as well as private enterprises. You can work in the government sector and in the private sector as well. All right, and the your basically your area of work can be anything: cost audit area, certification and consulting area. It can be anything. All right. The last but not the least course that we are going to discuss is Certified Financial Planner. What does a Certified Financial Planner do? See, if you're interested in building a career in areas of personal finance, wealth management, insurance planning, mutual fund investing, then this might be a really good choice for you. And if you want to enter the financial planning world, then you get to this certificate as a Certified Financial Planner. Financial Planning Standard Board of India, also known as FPSB India, is the principal licensing body that grants this license to you. So it is important that you check up this website and basically apply for this course if you are interested in being a financial planner. And all the things that you will be doing are investment planning, tax planning, insurance, retirement planning. Then CFP is a must. All right. Now these are the basic major courses that we have covered up till now in the commerce stream that you will be doing. We haven't basically talked about as per se all the colleges that come under this. We might be covering that in the future videos, and this list is by no means exhaustive. You can find more courses that you can do in commerce, but these are the one of the popular ones. I hope you like the video, and if you have any queries or questions, you can ask them to us in the comment section, or you can write an email to us. We'll do our best to respond to you. If you really like the videos, please share, subscribe with your friends, and tell to whosoever who may benefit from this video. Thank you.